This week we'll start using the ebook in MINDTAP. So I'd like to go ahead and go over that quickly. We'll click on ebook module 1 here, and we're told that we have to load this in a new window, so I'll go ahead and click that. This will bring up the ebook and the e-reader. Mine will look a little different than yours because I'm logged in as the instructor. But you can see across the top you have an edit mode. You can change the font size. You can set a bookmark. You can print pages, and you can ask questions. So in the ebook you have the chapter contents or introduction, and then I'll go ahead and page through here. We've got a module introduction about what you're going to learn. It's kind of like the objectives that we're looking for in this unit. Then some introductory stuff about digital. And I'll move down here a bit. And you get a series of quick checks as you go through. These quick checks are going to allow you to kind of test your comprehension of what you've read so far. So I encourage you to use those.